biodiversity. I want biodiversity 40 million.
Biodiversity is a term that represents the total variety of all life on Earth. That's a big thing to sum up. Thousands of different world habitats, millions of different species, billions of different individuals, and the trillions of different characteristics they all have. The total biodiversity of our planet is immense, which is a good thing, because the more biodiversity, the more secure all life on Earth is, including ourselves. Only when life is at its most varied, vigorous, biodiverse, can we hope to thrive. We may not know it, but we need towering forests across 1/3 of the land's surface to lock away carbon and keep the climate stable. We need millions of pollinators and billions of soil organisms and megatons of plants to keep the food we eat in supply. We need strange plants deep in the jungles to create our medicines, and coral reefs and mangrove swamps to protect the coasts we depend on. Our planet's biodiversity provides all the things we need for free, but it will only do so if there's lots of it, and at the moment it's under attack. In the last 50 years, our activities have dramatically reduced biodiversity across the globe. We've snuffed out reduced populations of wild animals by 60%, and even driven whole species extinct. The number of birds in Africa has dropped by 65%. The number of individual flying insects in Europe has dropped by 75%. The number of bluefin tuna in the Pacific has dropped by 95%. Biodiversity is dropping everywhere and fast. This is catastrophic for nature and therefore us. We talk about climate change a lot, but biodiversity loss is as important an issue. How do we stop this loss of life? How do we ensure that biodiversity, our planet's vital statistic, begins to increase again? In fact, we know exactly what to do. But it will only do so if there's lots of it, and at the moment it's under attack.
Right. You understood? You got an idea about the biodiversity. Actually, biodiversity is the variations among living beings. Right? Different types of organisms are there. And biodiversity could be identified under three stages. One is genetic diversity. Other one is species diversity. Other one is ecosystem diversity. Genetic diversity means you and me diverse. We are different. And reason is our genes are different. Therefore, very basic level of biodiversity is gene diversity or genetic diversity. Then next one is species diversity. We are different from monkeys. We are different from elephants. That is called as species diversity. Then ecosystem diversity. Different type of ecosystems are there. When the ecosystems are diverse, living beings which are present in those ecosystems are many. Elephants living in Africa are diverse from Sri Lankan elephants. Elephants living in India are somewhat differ from Sri Lankan elephants. Right? Asian elephants. Both Sri Lanka, India, Burma have Asian elephants. In Africa, African elephants. There is a difference between African elephants and Asian elephants. In Indian elephants, and we have some differences. That is because ecosystem diverse. Because ecosystems are diverse, therefore we have different type of variations. To study about this one, first of all, we must know about the understanding about the diversity. And the first issue faced by biologists. Understanding the biological diversity is one issue. Okay.